Yeah, what up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Damn, I haven't been on the bike and done one of these in a little while. But guess what? We got 62 degrees out here in dirty Jersey. Cloudy day, so no clear skies, but hey, can't complain, man. At least we don't got no 16-degree weather. So, if you follow me on my Instagram, which you should be following me on my Instagram, guys, the same name as my YouTube, Marvel Kid 87. I was cleaning out the garage this week, 2 or 3 days ago. Cleaned a few things up, threw a bunch of stuff out of here. I had so much crap in here, man. I took out like a big garbage bag full of crap that I just hit in here, and a bunch of other shit. But yeah, organized everything, and made space, because now we got the road glide right here, and if I move the road glide over a bit, I got space for a fourth bike. Or if I want to put the sporty back there like I was before, cross, then I got space for 5 bikes. So yeah, I'm making space for something that's coming, a little surprise, which, yeah, I just want to tell you guys that, but we're not gonna get into it. We're getting the road glide because we are gonna go meet up with Sal. Sal got a brand new bike. Yeah, so we're gonna go see that. Should I tell you guys what he got right now? Should I not? Or is it already in the title? I don't know, but let's just get on the bike. I really wish the roads were clear and the sun was out and it was beaming on me, but like I said before, we can't complain. We have no low digit weather, no teen weather. So we're gonna go be going to my local Harley dealership, Bergen Harley Davidson. That's where we're gonna meet up with Sal. So once we meet up with Sal, we'll see what he traded in for this bike. We'll talk about what he got, why he got it, and all that good stuff. And then I'll see if I give you guys a little walkthrough tour of the dealership, so you guys can see what they have in there new right now as well. So I'm assuming you guys really want to know what's on the shop floor right now. So we'll see that. Fresh off Arizona. Guys, if you haven't checked any of my content out yet from that trip, I have 2 videos out, and I have 3 more that are gonna be coming up soon. But the first one that's up is the review side-by-side of the Road Glide ST and the Street Glide ST. It's a pretty cool video. And then I also last night uploaded the vlog of the whole experience while we were there. So in the vlog, you're gonna see a little bit of everything, and you're gonna see all the YouTubers, and just it's fun, man. It's funny, it's fun, you're gonna enjoy it. It's a lot of good footage on there as well, so make sure to watch that video. And there's gonna be an interview coming out with Kyle Wyman, Daytona Race Week, King of the Baggers. We're like 2 weeks away, guys, so super excited for that. So nice little gem right there for you. What else do we have coming out? We have the ride of me on the track, riding a street glide and a road glide on a track, which was probably the funnest things I've ever done in my life. That's amazing. And then I have another video coming out, so tune in. Plenty of content coming out. Just feels great to be out on my bike in my local area, riding once again. It's like a relief. It's like, finally some okay weather. Finally the rock has come back to dirty Jersey. Two STs right there, but I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing ST content. How are you? So top floor, as you can see, we got tons and tons of used bikes. All the used bikes are on top. Newer bikes, obviously, in the bottom, but a lot of stuff. You always find like a little gem up here. It's a big day for you.
Hey.
It's a big day. Look at that smile. Look at that smile.
What's up, bro? Cheese.
What's going on? What's up, bro? What's up, Ronnie?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. How are you?
Hello,
How you been?
Good.
Yeah.
what up?
So, big day. It's like his birthday.
Get Ryan in this.
Ryan, come here, Ryan. It's like Sal's birthday, man. We guys already saw a little clip of what it is. He got the 2022 CVO Road Glide. Went from a street glide to a road glide. Is your bike still here?
I think so.
It is still here.
All right, we can take a look at it.
Yeah.
So we can show everybody what you traded in for to get this.
Okay.
So, are you gonna walk us through what everything is?
Ryan will.
Oh, Ryan? Even better, Ryan.
Better than me, bro.
right.
He just did it all.
Oof.
For starters, we have the Screaming Eagle Olins new performance shocks.
Yes.
All right, which we have to fine tune to use, so don't forget we got to do that. All right, we have the Bassani 2-in-2. All right, that retained the OEM heat shield, so it's the DNT muffler. All right.
What's this chrome tint called?
Scorched chrome.
Scorched chrome.
Scorched chrome.
It's beautiful, man.
So in order to retain the look of the scorched chrome through the exhaust, we went with Bassani 4x2. Their basic head pipe, but it's an open head pipe, so it's a performance pipe with their DNT muffler. Again, retaining all OEM heat shields. And then we've got Sal's new handlebars up here.
LA toppers?
Yep. These are the LA toppers. What are they? The hammerheads?
Yeah, hammerheads. 14-inch or
Yep. 12.
12?
12
All
inch.
right. Beautiful.
And a, I think we finished it off right now with the Clockworks 9-inch flare.
How about the mirrors? It comes with those mirrors, or you got
Yep.
that?
Came with those.
Those are nice.
Yep. The satin profile mirrors. They're
Those
really
are
good.
nice.
The bike came out gorgeous. And then we have a tour pack still to be fitted.
Wait, what is? This
I'm
is.
testing it out to make sure
It's a
that
demo.
Oh, you
it's the
testing it
right
out? Okay,
size.
gotcha.
Because if not, I'll go higher.
Yes, I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna be like, oh, it says demo
Yeah.
ride. So
I
yeah,
don't
that's
want no
that's not the
buffer.
actual size.
We have a ton of them. This way you can go through them to figure out your size. Yeah.
I'm
And,
hoping it's this one because it looks better.
And then what else we got done? We got the coolant fans, right?
Yeah.
And the cool flow fan. Yeah.
You got a ton of work done to this right away, man. 117. And then you know what I like about this bike as well? It comes with the matching color wheels,
Yeah.
which is amazing, man. It's so sick.
On the camera.
Yeah, the camera probably won't catch it that much, but that chrome, oh,
Sal, I didn't even notice that at first.
that's
No, the wheels? No.
They've been
Yeah.
Oh,
And then
so
you-
I wanted to point that out.
Oh, we did the bars, the crash bars, and the bags.
and the crash bars in the back from Harley as well.
Yeah, I'm not.
Sal started.
I haven't heard it.
You haven't heard it yet?
It's not really
Let's see that smile on your face, man. Let's put a smile on that face.
Oh, you got the Olins, Screaming Eagle.
Sit on it. Yeah. How tall are you? 5'8", right?
Yeah.
So I can see all those bars through it, man. Yeah? It looks good.
Stock bars are like kind of like this.
You look good.
Or house. Country. But no matter what kind of music you listen to, here's something else you should hear. Please consider getting vaccinated. Talk to your pharmacist today about community COVID-19 vaccine MRI. This message brought to you by
days.
I know.
You got something to do with you. Appreciate
That's
it.
why I'm not like even in a rush to leave.
It's so when you put it in the sun, let that paint hit the sun, and you'll see the sparkles in it as well. It's a crazy paint, man. What's up, dude? How you doing?
Nuts. Just look at the bottom, it's different than the top.
So sick. So sick. Can I sit on it?
Hell yeah, bro.
Please, can I sit on it? Please.
You think we can fix that? No? We already took it off.
Oh, that feels good. It's like
It's not T-bars like you, but you know, one day I'll get
no, but it gives you that T-bar feel, you know. It looks good, dude. Like these were the bars I was gonna originally get for my bike.
If you got them, you would have been happy.
Yeah, I know I would have.
But your bike right now
I'm just
is
weird sometimes. I just have new weird shit, man. We'll put it side by side on my bike later too.
Okay.
A nice picture of them both. That's awesome.
And you came back from Arizona with Harley, yeah.
Yeah, I was riding the Northeast out there, man.
It was right, yeah, on the track, bro. With the
Amazing.
Wayman Brothers? How do you say that?
Wyman Brothers, yeah.
Wyman Brothers, yeah.
Awesome.
George.
It does, man. That chrome, I'm glad I...
All right, so we just left because I need to head home and get ready for work now. Yeah, what an amazing bike. Sal is like a baby right now on Christmas. This guy is happy. I'm like so happy for him, man. I'm super happy he got that bike. I didn't have a chance to go to the back because, like I said, I had to head out and go to work right now to show you guys his bike, which is still there. Ton of work. I'm gonna be posting some pictures right here so you guys can see. But beautiful bike. That bike was set up amazingly. It was like basically like a CVO, you could say. But this bike, man, wow, that color. I can't wait till we go on a little ride together soon. Hopefully it's like a sunny day so you guys can see that paint, the way it just shines in the sun. It does like magical stuff in the sun. Like it's dope, man. Drop your thoughts and comments down below what you guys think about Sal's new CVO. Also, which is your favorite CVO for 2022? Mine is the one that Sal got. Now, if it wasn't that one, I would choose the green flames. That paint job is sick. The other ones are nice, but they're just like, I feel like they're like too bright. Like the yellow and the orange is like, I feel like it's like, I don't know, it's just too much, you know? But this one, like, especially Sal's bike, it stands out, but at the same time it's very, very, very subtle, which is also a good thing. You want to stand out, but it's like, you know, you want to lay low at the same time. That's what that bike says. I'm here to shine, but I'm also here to lay low. I love the way this bike purrs. That's gonna be it, guys. I got a bunch of stuff coming out. Just a bunch of videos. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button. That's gonna notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.